3 super tiny AI crypto coins that could be the biggest 500x up to this year. All right, guys, please note this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's get into this tasty little video. So guys, here it is, Ori chain, okay? This is the number 1 on my list, okay? They're in no particular order, but it's an AI layer 1 for data economy and Oracle service. So it's the world's first intelligent and secure solution for emerging Web3 scalable dApps and decentralized AI. Now, you have a network explorer here. You can store and stake Ori, cross-chain bridge, and a mainnet and sub-networks. The technology is fantastic. It's a foundational layer for the creation of new generation of smart contracts and dApps. Okay, so they've got the AI layer 1. Right, which is secure and fast Cosmos. They've got AI oracles, they've got decentralized data and AI, the scale-up, roll-up, Cosmowasm IDE, which is write smart contracts with the powered by Ori chain and Ethereum compatible. Guys, the ecosystem consists of some incredible dApps, all right, such as Zyden, Kawioverse, AI Marketplace, which is fantastic, all right? Some of the developers are obviously Cosmowasm, Ori chain, all right, which are helping protect and absolutely blow up the Cosmos world, okay? It's open source Oracle service and AI developers are why everybody's getting involved. That's number 1. Super tiny right now, but could blow up to 500x. Let's move on. Number 2. Number 2 is Shirtly, okay? Shirtly is pretty hyped right now. The pre-seed has over 80 million, okay? With the seed of 2.5% at 25 million and all the way down. You can see the Colin Martin's 1.8%, the public IDO ecosystem. But exactly what is this, okay? What is this actually talking about? Now, guys, I want to skip straight through so we can actually have a look at what's going on here. This is a token. There's a deflationary utility token in the Shirtly ecosystem. Now, the brand can make the payment in any currency, whether it's fiat or crypto, all right? It's got 20% gross margin. Passive rewards through staking, and the staking also gives the holders the voting power. When you have a little look at their vision, okay, small influencers are not alone anymore. So they're looking at small influencers in the world, so much to give, so much to share, but so little to make, and no one there to pave their way to success. So existing platforms lacking the technology to help them. It's time to break that down, okay? Now, nano equals mega. So if you're 1500, okay, that is a nano, and we're taking that to mega. So it's time to disrupt this, okay? Their platform is very well put together, all right? Their platform is fantastically put together when trying to figure out how to get influencers through them doors. It has automatic buyback, so the brand pays a handling fee of 10% on top of their chosen budget, 50% discount on payments done in Shirtly token. The influencer receives their payout minus the 10% handling fee in the end, and 20% of the total fee is used for token buyback. Guys, there's lots of different reasons why I'm in love with this project. That's number 2. Let's move on to number 3. And last but not least is Dynex Coin. All right, it's the world's first decentralized numerophoric supercomputing platform. It's the next generation platform for computing based on a groundbreaking flexible blockchain protocol. Guys, it's incredible. The block height is 161, all right, hash rate of 231, it say here. All your different insights that you need, all right? If you want to get in the intro, the terms, the Dynex, the mine, buy and sell, if you want to just be part of the ecosystem, please go on here and have a look. Who is this for? All right, to start with, anyone training machine learning models can significantly speed up the training process. That's a fact. Speed versus efficiency is their most important. If you want to watch that video and get involved, you can right now. What I will say is there's a lot of writing on the website. I don't want you to get too overwhelmed and confused. All you need to know from me is it's an incredible project building on the AI blockchain, ready to blow up. So if you want to get involved in this coin, dynexcoin.org, all right, please do your own research, but get involved right now. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.